Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue that says that the item cannot be copied because it's too large for the volumes format on your computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward process here, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the start menu, type in Windows Explorer or File Explorer. Best match to come back with File Explorer here. Go ahead and left click on that. Select this PC on the left side, and then you want to select the drive that you're having the issue with here. So in my case it's the extra storage drive. Please keep in mind what we're going to be doing in this tutorial will be removing any files that are currently on the drive. So if you can, open it up, back it up, put it on the desktop or somewhere, or put it on an external media source. It's not this drive, because I'm telling you, once we do what we're about to do in this tutorial, it's going to clean it. But hopefully at that point we will have freed up enough space that we can actually go in there and put whatever files we were trying to do in the first place. So we're going to go ahead and right click on it and then select format. And then once you're done, once everything's up here, you don't really need to change anything, go ahead and select start. Please note you're going to get this pop-up here just basically summarizing what I just said, that formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. To quit, click cancel. We're going to click on OK, or else it wouldn't be considered a tutorial. And once it's done, it should say format complete. Click on OK, close out of here, and that should honestly be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.